Hey yo people, if you guys are having problem with your Snapchat streak, or if you guys want to know how you guys can recover your Snapchat streak, then this is the right video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Snapchat snap streak. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So be sure to do that, and let's start the video without any further ado. So the first thing first, what Snapchat streak means is like if you send a snap to your friend and he sends you a snap back, or like if you continue this consistency for like more than 3 days, you will start your snap streak, and it's gonna be symbolized over here just like this with a fire emoji. Right now it says 89 snap streak, which means I have been maintaining my snap streak with her for like 89 days. That basically means it. So I've been sending her and she's been sending me Snapchat for like every single day. So remember, like, to maintain a snap streak, you need to send and receive snap from the person within 24 hours. If your snap streak is about to end, you're gonna see an hourglass icon right beside over here. You're gonna see an hourglass icon over here. So remember that. But if you send a snap to the person and you receive a snap from the person and still your Snapchat streak disappeared, like you did everything you should to maintain a snap streak but your snap streak disappeared, then follow these steps. Okay, first go to your profile, click on the setting icon. Once you click on the setting icon, you can scroll down until you see I need help, which is under support over here. You can click on I need help. Once you're in this page, you can click on what can we help you with and type for snap streak over here. And after you search for snap streak, it's gonna take you over here. Now what you want to do is scroll down until you see let us know button over here, where it says what if my snap streak has gone away but I know we have sent a snap back and forth within 24 hours window. And this is the hourglass I was talking about. It's gonna show if your snap streak is about to expire and it's notifying you to send a snap. So yeah, once you come here, you can click on let us know, and once this thing pops up, you need to fill up all the necessary thing over here, like your device name, your mobile number, and your friend's username with whom like your snap streak disappeared, and when this issue started, how long was a snap streak before it disappeared, did you see the icon, and what information should we know. You can fill up all the necessary detail over here, and after filling up all the necessary detail, you can click on send. Then Snapchat's team is going to review this and they're going to send you an email. On this email which you typed over here, they're going to send you an email. Once you receive the email, they're going to tell you how you can solve this problem. So that's basically how you recover your Snapchat snap streak. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.